been on YouTube for 2 years.
Blown up a couple of videos, ran channels in 4 different niches, and posted like 12 videos total. Yep.
I upload like once a season, but here's the thing.
I just had my first month of actually being consistent.
Now I've learned more in that 1 month than the past 3 years. So that's the person I'm taking advice from. A person who learned everything the hard way.
We are covering 3 things today: the basics of YouTube, the 2026 algorithm updates, and how small creators are actually making money right now. And I will end with the single biggest mistake I made on YouTube.
One I don't even wish for my enemy. Let's get in, shall we?
Basics of YouTube. This looks like a normal YouTube video, but there are actually a bunch of things working together behind the scenes to make it perform or not perform. Things like hook, stake, body, payoff, retention, CTR, impression. Okay, fine. Let's go through each one by one.
First thing you need to know, YouTube video is made up of 2 things.
The packaging and the actual video. Let's start with the packaging. Think of it like a car dealership. Some people walk past, glance at the car, and keep moving. Those are your impressions. But some people actually pull in and walk up to the window. That's your CTR, click-through rate. And there is a tier for that. Now, the actual video. This is what's happened after they click the thumbnail. Every video has 3 parts. The hook. This is your first 30 seconds.
And it has one job. Don't let them leave.
Because people will close a video faster than they close a bad text message.
Inside of the hook is something called stakes and context. Take note of this, we'll come back to it.
Then the body. This is your main content. Could be pure information, could be storytelling, could be both mixed together.
This is where you actually teach, entertain, and deliver on what you have promised in the video.
Then finally, the payoff.
This is where you deliver on your promise. You hype something at the start and use payoff to deliver your promise at the end. In between them is a story. Start, payoff, story.
Algorithm updates.
Okay, the algorithm. Everybody talks about it like it is this mysterious thing pulling the strings around the curtains.
It's not mysterious, it just changed.
And most people are still playing with the old rules.
YouTube CEO literally came out early in 2026 and said the platform is now prioritizing viewer satisfaction above everything else.
Which means the algorithm isn't just watching if people click a video, they are watching what they do after clicking.
Did they watch the whole thing? Did they watch another one of your video after? Did they leave YouTube entirely? All of that get tracked.
What actually works now is something called
retention loop. You hook them in the first 30 seconds. You keep delivering value throughout, and you end in a way that makes them want to watch another video. How small creators actually makes money.
Okay, let's talk money. Cause I know that's why most of you are here.
And I respect that.
Now the first thing everybody thinks about is the AdSense, the YouTube partnership program.
YouTube puts ad on your video and pays you a cut. But here's the thing nobody tells beginners.
AdSense is actually the worst way to make money as a small YouTube creator. Hear me out.
Like you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just to even qualify. And then when you do qualify, YouTube pays you maybe $2 to $5 per 1,000 views, depending on your niche. So if your video gets 500 views, you are making like $1.
AdSense is a long-term game. Don't count on it too early in your YouTube career. So what actually works as a small creator?
Firstly, affiliate marketing.
This one is actually slept on, and it is available to you literally on video 1.
The idea is simple. You recommend a product by putting a special link in your description. Someone buys it through your link, you get a percentage. No followers required, no minimum requirements. Amazon has one, Almost every software company has one. Fiverr, vidIQ, 1 of 10, Epidemic Sounds,
and even non-software companies have one. Yeah, I wish YouTube doesn't ban me for that.
Secondly, brand deals.
And before you say I'm too small for that,
You are wrong. Brands are actually shifting budget towards smaller creators right now because smaller audience trust their creators more. A 2,000 subscriber channel in a specific niche can charge $200 to $500 per video.
that is more than what AdSense will pay you for literally 100,000 views. Damn.
Third, data products. An ebook, a template, a mini course, a Notion dashboard.
Just something that solves one specific problem that your audience has.
And lastly, channel memberships. Once you hit 500 subscribers, YouTube lets your audience pay a monthly fee for exclusive peeks. This could be behind the scene content, early access to a video, a Discord community, or whatever you want to offer as a premium service. You can. One of my biggest YouTube mistakes.
You know, I came onto YouTube thinking I was about to make money quick. Like, just upload a couple of videos, one will blow up, the brand deal started rolling in. Easy, right? Hell nah.
So I would post 2, maybe 3 videos, and each one getting like 20 views.
15 of which being me just refreshing the page, and then I'll just stop.
What's the point, right? Nobody's watching. This doesn't work.
Then after 6 months, I will come back, post like 3 to 4 videos, then the same thing will repeat, I will quit again. And the reason why I'm telling you this video is I don't want you to waste 2 years like I did, right? Like, don't make my mistake, right? So if there is only one thing that I'll tell anyone starting out,
Post for 1 year. At least 1 long form video per week or 2 shorts a day.
that's it. It doesn't matter if the views are trash, just upload and get better with each one.
And whenever you feel burnout because you are not seeing results for your hard work, remember what Rockefeller, one of the richest men in history, said: if your only goal is money, you won't get it.
Peace out.